Alright, hey guys, this is my Haro 400.3. I'm pretty sure 2011. I'm going to show you what's on it. So first of all, I got ODI grips. Pretty good. They're nice and durable. I've had them for like 2 months already. And the wear is pretty much nothing. And I bike in weather though, like depends on weather because I live in Canada. They're a little messed up. You see on this side, they're really messed up too. So I got a Fox crash pad on it, and it's because one of my friends I know, he fell and he broke his teeth off his bars, so yeah, I didn't want that to happen. But down with the forks, I got Haro forks, stock forks. I got Alienation black rim. And you can see they're shitty. They're really shitty Alienation black rims. I got Odyssey 8-kin tires. I hope I didn't say that wrong, but yeah. I used to have front brakes on it, and I took them off because they were getting really heavy. This bike was getting pretty heavy. I got a Haro hub, Haro 400 frame. It's a very durable frame, you know, it's really good. Moving up to here, I got a Haro plastic pivotal seat post and seat. I got one of those be the people guard things, I don't know. I got Haro cranks, which have lasted me, and Haro pedals. The Haro cranks, my Haro cranks are not good though. Like, listen to this. Like, they're not that good. That's why I'm getting new ones. Like, they wobble a lot and stuff, and they crack sometimes, so yeah. Moving on to here, I got I don't even know what kind of rim that is. It looks pretty bad, I don't know. They're okay rims though. I got Odyssey 8-kin. Tires on the back too. Haro hub. I got a Haro chain. I don't know if you can see this too well. Down. Got a Haro chain with a Haro sprocket. They're pretty good sprockets. I think they look really nice. So yeah, that's basically it. That's my Haro 400.3. So yeah, leave any comments in the comment section if you think I missed anything or anything. And I will be coming out with an edit soon, but it is Canada, and as you can see here, it is winter, it's snowing, so it might just be all a joyride. And yeah, please like and subscribe and favorite the video if you can, okay?